Hey, what's up? This is the productive one with another video. I almost forgot my name. And it's snow. And I'm outside for some reason. It's like 2 o'clock. We didn't have nothing to do, so I'm doing another snow video like I did last year. Just showing out the snow in Illinois. We got some in Illinois. We did get like somewhat of a blizzard, somewhat. Not like New Jersey and stuff, but yeah. Some of it didn't melted, so maybe it's about like 3 to 4, maybe even 5 inches outside. So yeah, but that one day we did have at least about 8 or 9, 10 inches of snow, but we still had to go to school for some reason. So my school never closes. But yeah, camera's fixed. This is all recorded on tape, so which is pretty cool. Clean my lens. So yeah, I'm gonna start making more videos because, like I said, my camera is working, and it's hiding in the tree right there because of the squirrels. You see that? Yeah, that's the squirrel's job right there. And the evidence is like all right now. Wow, it's all at the top. I didn't even see that nest at the top. Look, check this out. See that? Wow, all that cotton. Wow. I should just take a rock and just knock you down now. Yeah, let's go to the front. This truck from the truck. The truck is currently in a shop. It was having transmission problems, and it should be back this week. So we just have 2 cars in the driveway. Well, it always been 2 because the Lexus been staying on the street. But in the winter, we keep it in the driveway so they can plow the streets. We just got the Lexus and the Sunfire. So you can make sure nobody's outside. The car's coming. They done with the street finally. Well, they've been down with the street, but yeah, it took way too long. We sidewalks and everything. But yeah, we still got this little hill right here. I'm gonna start recording if the car comes. And the car's coming right now, so I'm gonna stop today. But yeah, it's about not even up or up. Got my nice. We went out in the snow pants on. They're really high. But yeah, there's not really much to show this year because it's like less than last year because I missed it. Because the camera, I just got my camera looking like. So you can see how, like, this ice right here is really soft. No solid's been going down right here. It's just soft. Alright. Like I said, the typical hill right here. I don't know why, but you know what? Yeah, duh. Because we push out the snow right there. We'll see 75% of the snow right here. And I'm trying to, yeah, it's too soft. I can't even climb up it. That's how like warm it is outside. You can't even climb up. Nope. That's a fail. So yeah, it's not gonna be like last year, like when I climbed up the hill. But yeah, you can see my footprint. I can't even climb it up. And at the bus stop, I don't even know because I don't take the bus anymore because I'm not going to school anymore because I'm in high school now. So yeah, can't even climb up it. Not really much to show this year. This year sucks. So let's see what my dog's doing. Now, go ahead and close this like that. Lift it up. Latch on. Hold on, let me put latch up. Oh, she's right here. What you doing? You want to sit some dog poop? Ew. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Ooh. It's so bright out here. Like my camera is like really tweaking. So it's the snow that really makes it bright. It's like blinding me right now. So I'm on here. You can still see her though. You can see the pond. She poops everywhere, so let's make sure we don't accept any poop. Make sure you look for me. If you see something, then tell me to stop. Up and she's choking now. Alright, so the pond is frozen probably. There was water in it. That's why it's so high. Gazebo totally failed. The top ripped. Make sure I'm not stepping in the poop. You can see all the pee. Steve totally fell with it. It's not as bad as the other years. So I'm not stepping in your poo. I think I hear a squirrel, which is right me off. The squirrel. Yes. Squirrels coming down and stuff. Scared to go over here. They may try to jump me or something. Up there, just right there. Hey! Just pick up a rock or something and throw it at. Look at all that poop. Oh, okay. Okay. They're making too much noise. Time to go. Look, it's just watching me. Look. It's pretty cold out here. The camera's shaking a lot because it's cold. My fingers, I don't have no gloves on, so my shaking. There's squirrels up in there because I just heard it. That'd be like babies or something up there. Little rocket something. But yeah, I guess that's it. Like I said, not really much to show because it's warm. It's not it. It's really muddy right here. This all right here needs to be redone. We did this like 3 years ago. Now it needs to be redone because it looks like crap. It was used to be like all grass right here. Can't even imagine it. But we started using this gate, so we have to make some kind of path. But yeah, I guess that's it. Come on. Go on, look what's that. You gotta talk to her like really fast. Come on. What is she doing? Leave the squirrel alone. Don't eat the squirrel. Alright. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace. I know this wasn't exciting as the other year, but it's better than nothing. Camera's fixed, more videos, awesomeness. I'm currently writing a script for a movie, which is going to be filmed in spring, so that's going to be awesome. It's going to be, I'm not going to tell you the title of it, but it's going to be basically like action slash adventure, romantic kind of movie. But yeah, it's going to be guns and stuff in this, so that's going to be awesome. So thanks for watching, and let's spin around real fast. Okay, that's fine. Peace. Whoa, I almost fell. I almost flew right there. So this will be a quick continuation to the snow video. I do have something more exciting, and I hope this gets into like NBC or Fox or something, because we're having a blizzard. Yes. Look, you can kind of see. I'm gonna go in the kitchen too and see if I can get some. I don't want to go out. I'm probably gonna go outside tomorrow, but it's really bad out there. Like you can see the snow blowing off the houses, so I'm not gonna get out there. I'll probably go out there tomorrow. Let's go in the kitchen. You can't even see nothing. For now.
Yeah, we had this discussion yesterday. Do you wait till all the snowfall or do you get it early?
Ooh, I can't wait for that. Ooh, yes. 10, 24, 20 inches. That's what she said. -5. Rich. It already passed. Christian Park. Wow. It's 6:50 now. I haven't even brushed my teeth. I just get up. Look at the car. That's at least about 20. Look like the mirror about to fall. Oh, that snow. It's heavy. Unbelievable. Alright, snow's coming in, so I'm gonna go outside a little bit later. See you for now. Alright, 11 minutes. It's the next day after the blizzard. The blizzard's finally over. It's still hella amounts of snow outside. But I have to let my dog outside and show you real quick. And this will be the ending, hey Hitoki, of the video. So I'm gonna open the door. Make sure to do a comparison between the beginning and the end. Check this out. Open the screen door. Boom. Hella amounts of snow. Oh, it's cold. I'm not gonna be out here for long. You can just tell my dog. All this snow, it's unbelievable. I can't like even walk over here. Oh, I'm freezing. Okay, I'm about to go back here. But yeah, it's hella amount of snow. But you go inside and do, it's like negative out here. And I am in Illinois, so this is not common. So yeah, I guess that's it. I was just showing you. I may take pictures and I may post them up. I don't know yet. But anyway, ooh, that's a nice lighting right there. I like that. It's pretty nice. Like, boom, right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. But anyway, thanks for watching and peace. One more quick view. Look at my dog button. But she's hopping through it. You can just tell how high it is. You can't even like barely see her anymore. At least about 2 feet. Imagine even got it worse and you live like down the street. So thanks for watching and peace. Oh, I almost fell. One thing before I actually go, I'm gonna show you the front real quick. All the snow. I just wanted to show you this real quick. It's been plowed with the snow blower that we bought. Cars are all clean. Yep. Wow, ridiculous. Oh, the mountain is really high right there. The normal mountain I climb up, it's extremely high. I'm not climbing up that. I may kill myself. But yeah, let me lock the screen door. Oh, there it is. Alright, now that's it. I think my mom actually got video too. If she did, it's going to be at the end of this video. It's going to be HD with a Droid X phone, so that's going to be pretty nice. I don't know if she did or didn't. You'll see at the end. So, peace for real.
What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all